Hi everybody, I'm Rochelle, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about who interpreters work for. And most oftentimes people assume that interpreters work for the patients. Totally wrong. That is not at all the case. Interpreters work for healthcare. Healthcare providers have dedicated themselves to serving their communities for their life, and from the administrators and the CEOs all the way to the phlebotomists, to the PSRs, to the nurses, to the doctors. Everybody in that system and in that organization has decided to dedicate themselves to the well-being and the health of the community. So when you're looking at interpreters, it's not that they work for the patient. The patient and the providers need to be empowered to build relationships with themselves. It should never be about the interpreters on behalf of the patient, or that's where our focus is, because the focus really needs to be on healthcare and the providers. Adults need to be able to have adult conversations, and that relationship needs to be empowered. So our job as interpreters is to help that relationship grow, to really empower the adults in the room to be adults and to have a communication. And that relationship builds over time, and it's not an interpreter's job to be a part of that relationship. That relationship should evolve regardless of which interpreter is there with them. One story that I remember that happened to me is I had worked with a provider and the patient for years at a different clinic, and then I hadn't for probably 3 or 4 years, and when I saw them again, it was great to see them. But I was interpreting about the vacation and the kids and the family and the experiences that they knew about each other, and it didn't have anything to do with me being the one in the room. So it's really important, I think, to start reshaping the perspective that healthcare interpreters are there for the providers. So a question I would ask you is, who do interpreters really work for? Who requests your services? And who pays your bills? So if you want to hear more about this and other topics, make sure you subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media with the links below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment. Be sure to share the video. Thanks for watching.
Twice.